I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and taking all necessary precautions. Today I am going to explain lesson 1 of our Mayflower book, The Raindrops. What is the meaning of rain? Rain means barish and drops means boonde. Okay, let's start our lesson with warm up. Rearrange these letters to find words related to weather. Here some words, some letters are given here, and what we have to do, we have to arrange them to find words related to weather. Okay, the first word is GFO. It is fog, FOG. Second word is NAIR. This is rain, RAIN. Third word is WONS. It's snow. And fourth is wind, WIND. Okay, so now I'm going to start our lesson. This lesson is about a farmer whose name was Seth. Okay, farmer Seth had a large field of wheat. He weeded. Weeded means remove unwanted plants. He weeded it carefully and prayed for it to rain every day. He wanted to sell his wheat so that his family could live on that money for the rest of the year. However, after working hard for many months, he saw that the wheat had started to wither. Wither means become dry, and droop means bend down. This was because there had been no rain for a long time. So student, this is the story of a farmer, Seth. He worked hard in his field, but unfortunately, in spite of working hard, his crops becoming dry and about to die. What was the reason behind it? Let's read. This was because there had been no rain for a long time. He began to fear that all his work, his hard work, would be wasted and he would have no wheat to harvest. He felt very sad. Every morning he went out to the field, looked at the thirsty wheat stalk, stalk means stem of plant, and prayed for it to rain. And what is the reason behind it? This is because there had been no rain for a long time, and he began to fear that all his work would be wasted and he would have no wheat to harvest. Harvest means gathering of crops. He felt very sad. Every morning he went out to the field, looked at a thirsty stalk of wheat, and prayed for it to rain. Farmer Seth became very sad, and the reason was it had no rain. Okay. One day, as he stood looking up at the sky hopefully, two little raindrops, Pit and Pat, saw him. Students, daily farmer waited for rain, and one day he was standing in the field and hopefully looking at the sky. Two raindrops who were passing from there. They saw the farmer. Who were they? Pit and Pat. What is the name of the raindrops? Pit and Pat. बच्चों, ये जो स्टोरी है वो एक फार्मर सेठ के बारे में है जो अपने खेतों में बहुत मेहनत से काम करता है, लेकिन इतनी मेहनत करने के बावजूद भी उसकी जो वीट की जो फसल थी, गेहूं की जो फसल थी, वो ख़राब होने लगी, ड्राई होने लगी, बेंड डाउन होने लगी, ड्रूप होने लगी। और उसका रीज़न क्या था कि बहुत समय से बारिश नहीं हुई थी, और बारिश ना होने की वजह से उसको डर था कि कहीं वो सारी खेती ख़राब ना हो जाए उसकी। और वो हर रोज़ जो है सुबह जाता अपने खेतों में और आसमान की तरफ देखता कि कब बारिश आएगी, और इस तरह से एक दिन जो है दो छोटे रेन ड्रॉप्स जो हैं, जो पिट और पैट जो हैं, वो वहाँ से गुजरे. पिट sat, looked at the farmer. I feel very sorry for him. He worked so hard to grow his wheat, but now it's all drying up. I want to help him. Pit became very sad to see the condition of the farmer. This shows Pit's kind nature. He shared his feeling with the other raindrop, Pat, that he wanted to help the farmer. Yes, me too, said Pat, but we are only two little raindrops. What can we do? Just the two of us cannot water a big field. Pat also wanted to help, but he said that how could they water such a big field? They were so small to water such a big field. अब पिट जो है उसको बहुत दया आती है किसान पे, और वह कहता है कि मैं इसको हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ. पैट भी हेल्प करना चाहता है, लेकिन पैट कहता है कि हम बहुत छोटे हैं, हम इतने बड़े फील्ड को कैसे पानी दे पाएंगे. ओके, सी, look at the picture. Farmer seat was waiting for rain, and two raindrops, Pit and Pat, were watching him. So student, we will continue our chapter in our next video. Till then, think that how did the raindrops help the farmer. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video.